How to make a scrolling announcement bar in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a scrolling announcement bar into your Shopify store. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Once we have been on the admin dashboard, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. Head over to the left side of the screen and choose from here the online store under the sales channels. Once we have did that, we're going to click on themes. On themes, we're going to find the current theme that we currently use. Now, depending on the type of the theme that you have here, you're going to basically have an idea on how we are going to use them. Each one of the themes are going to be individually customized to something else. So for example, we can go ahead and head over the Horizon one. We click on Customize. And once we have clicked on Customize, we're going to consent to the cookies and we're going to select the announcement bar at the top. From the announcement bar, we're not basically going to have a, let's say, here rotating one, but we are going to have the scroll effect. So for example, if I am going to head over here, the blocks, I'm going to add another block, which is going to be an announcement. And we're going to add another one, which is going to be, for example, like that. I'm going to write something, and here we have 3 announcements. As you can see, I'm going to click back to the announcement bar. I'm going to put the duration of the time to next announcement is going to be 2 seconds. And we're going to find that it is going to scroll here. So it is going to scroll, or it is going to change to the next text, just like that. So that was the first position or supposition for the Horizon theme. Now heading back to the other themes, such as the Dawn theme, which was the best theme for Shopify that we have been setting up a lot of tutorials on, and it is going to be let's say not expired, but basically the Horizon is going to be the main theme for new stores. If you use the Dawn theme, we can go ahead and click on Customize. Also, it is going to be the same thing, but the parameters here are going to be a little bit different. So as you can see, we're going to have the scrolling effect or the swiping effect to the left and the right. These are going to be a type of animations that we're not going to find on the Horizon theme until we are going to add some CSS codings right there. So if I click on here on the announcement in general, we click on the announcement bar, you're going to find the auto rotate announcement. So it is going to be a type of rotation getting right there. You can have a separator lines here, some utilities like the, I don't know, here you can add some, as you can see here, some links going on here and there. So you can go ahead and have some, let's say here, these are going to be, I think, the icons for social media. They are going to be added just fine, just like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.